Ayurvedic recipe series. Ayurveda as an ancient medicine offers knowledge of harmonious way of life. Today I want to share with you superfood with delicious taste, which I love to have before bedtime. It is called golden milk. These key ingredients are loaded with antioxidants. This drink boosts total body health. It is also antibacterial and antifungal drink. It may help reduce inflammation and joint pain, improve memory and brain function. Curcumin and turmeric may improve your mood, protect against heart disease, and also lower your blood sugar level. Add turmeric, cinnamon, cardamom, black pepper to your milk and get boiled. Before turning off, add 1 drop of organic vanilla extract and 1/4 of teaspoon of ghee, stirring occasionally. Then turn off the stove and use a fine mesh stainer to stain out. Add 3 to 4 strands of saffron to the milk and allow to soak for 10 minutes. And if you wish, you can add sweetener of your choice, like maple syrup or honey, into your warm drink. And your powerful golden Ayurvedic drink is ready. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.